and today I am doing a lip swatch slash review for this Nature Republic lipstick kit. Yeah, every time I've shown this on my Instagram or like Snapchat, people are always asking me where I got this from, and they always go crazy about it. So I decided finally, let me just do a review and lip swatch for you guys so I can put this to rest. So this is the Kiss My Mini lipstick lipstick again kit by Nature Republic. It's super cute. It comes with 6 colors, almost as like many colors as a boy band. Like, what? Monster X is shaking. It's again really cute. I'm going to first lip swatch it, and then I'm going to talk about it more in depth, give you guys prices, where I got it, all that stuff. So let's get into the lip swatch.
Whenever you want me, whenever you want me, your moves affect my style. Your lips attract the every light I see. Those lines we never said. Those times you lick my shoulder blades and say, your moves affect my style. Your lips attract the every light I see. We don't recall the names. It's not to be described and we don't try. Whenever you want me, whenever you want me, whenever you want me, whenever you want me.
Cause that's how it is in the hood when you famous, and man, I wouldn't change it. My cousins take pictures we used to be.
Alright, and so we're back. So those were the swatches of this lipstick, and now here are my thoughts and reactions on it. So I really honestly loved all these colors. One thing I was so freaking nervous about was, since again this is a Korean brand, this was made for Korean girls, that the lighter colors weren't gonna work for me. But after swatching it, literally my favorite color has to actually be Juliet Rose, like the lightest one. I really like how it still fit my skin tone, even though, you know, it's super light. I might change my mind when I look at this video, because again, I was looking at Juliet Rose from like afar. So, you know, who knows how it's actually gonna look when I look at the video. But right now, I honestly really like Juliet Rose. So if you are my skin tone or lighter, or maybe a little bit darker, I don't want to speak for everybody, but if you're at least my skin tone, all of these colors will work for you, which is amazing and great. Nature Republic, you did that. Another thing that I should say, I don't know if you guys really noticed, but they are kind of tiny. They're a tiny set. It's a mini kit, first of all, but yeah, it's a tiny set. So if you're looking for something that might be bigger, like, don't be surprised. Like, when I got this, I was just slightly surprised at how small it is when you fully pull it out of the box. But I've had these for a while now and they've lasted me. I honestly have not really tried these three till today, so that's probably why they're lasting me. But like, especially Bloody Burgundy, I've torn Bloody Burgundy up, so, and it's still there. So they're tiny, but they're not tiny enough that like after one swipe they're finished, you know. 3 or 4 maybe, but 1 you're good. Another thing, so I got this from Beauty Box Korea. I don't know if maybe Amazon or someone is selling it. I will definitely look that up, because honestly, if Amazon is selling it, I think you should go for the Amazon one instead, just because as much as I love Beauty Box Korea, shipping is super expensive, but they can't really do much because they're literally based in Korea. They're selling you Korean things. So if you don't mind about shipping, you should get this. Or if you're getting, usually when I use Beauty Box Korea, I'm buying a lot. I'm not just getting one thing. So, you know, I mean, shipping might be like $20. Sometimes it's literally $20, but you're getting like a huge pack of things, so it's worth it. So anyway, what I'm basically trying to say is I really do like this kit. Yeah, every time I posted this on Instagram or Snapchat, I always had someone asking me where I got it, or someone like telling me to give them the link. So I decided to finally review it. Plus I had this on my mind to review anyway. Finally did it. So yeah, I think it's worth it if you want to pick it up. It transcends different skin tones, which is a great thing. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like this review. Remember to like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.